Welcome back to the channel. If you have been searching for the best engine oil, you are in the right place. Let's compare the top contenders to help you decide. Product number 1. Valvoline MaxLife High Mileage 5W30 Synthetic Blend. Okay, guys, buckle up. We're diving into the world of high mileage engine oils, and I am super stoked to share with you my thoughts on the Valvoline MaxLife High Mileage 5W30 Synthetic Blend. Honestly, if you've got a vehicle that's pushing 75,000 miles or more, you're probably thinking, what can I do to extend its lifespan? And that's where this baby comes in. Look, this stuff is designed for high mileage engines. It's a synthetic blend oil that's specifically formulated to condition seals and gaskets, reduce oil consumption, and prevent sludge buildup. Wow, talk about a game changer, right? Trust me, this oil is the real deal. It's got Valvoline's proprietary MaxLife technology that's been proven to outperform leading competing brands in various tests. Now, I know what you're thinking. Is it worth the extra cost? Well, let me tell you, this oil is an investment in your vehicle's longevity, and with its superior performance and protection, it's well worth the price. If you're ready to give your engine the TLC it deserves, check out the link in the description below for active discounts on the Valvoline MaxLife High Mileage 5W30 Synthetic Blend, and happy motoring. Product number 2. Valvoline Advanced Full Synthetic SAE 5W30 Motor. So, the last product I reviewed was all about cleaning up our engines, and now I'm moving on to something that's going to keep that engine running smoothly in the long term, and that's where Valvoline's Advanced Full Synthetic SAE 5W30 Motor Oil comes in. It's a high-performance oil that's specifically designed to provide superior wear protection and fuel efficiency, and honestly, it's a game changer. This full synthetic oil is made with the latest technology to keep your engine running at its best, even in extreme temperatures. It's got a 5W30 viscosity rating, which means it's going to flow easily in cold temperatures and provide the right amount of lubrication in hot temperatures. Trust me, this oil is the real deal. Look, it's not just about getting the job done, it's about getting it done right. And Valvoline's Advanced Full Synthetic SAE 5W30 Motor Oil does just that. It's a premium product that's going to give you the peace of mind that your engine is protected and running at its best. And I'm excited to share with you that I was able to find active discounts on this product, and you can check them out in the description below. Product number 3. Castrol Edge 5W30 Advanced Full Synthetic Motor. So, I just reviewed a fantastic oil change kit, and now I've got the perfect motor oil to go with it, the Castrol Edge 5W30 Advanced Full Synthetic Motor Oil. This stuff is top-notch, honestly. Now, I know what you're thinking. What does that name even mean? Well, let me break it down for you. It's a 5W30 viscosity oil, which means it's perfect for everyday driving conditions. It's not too thick for the cold winter months, and it's not too thin for the hot summer months. It's a full synthetic oil, which means it's made from the highest quality materials, designed to provide superior engine protection and performance. And trust me, this oil delivers. It's got advanced additives that help to prevent wear and tear on your engine, reduce friction, and even help to clean the engine as you drive. Wow, I'm telling you, this stuff is amazing. It's the perfect choice for anyone who wants to keep their engine running smoothly and efficiently. So, if you're in the market for a high-quality motor oil, look no further. Check out the link in the description for active discounts. Product number 4. Shell Rotella T6 Full Synthetic 5W40 Diesel. Alright guys, so I've got our next product on the list. Shell Rotella T6 Full Synthetic 5W40 Diesel Oil, and let me tell you, I've been blown away by this stuff. I mean, it's no surprise really, Shell's got a reputation for making high-quality oils, but this T6 stuff takes it to a whole new level. It's a full synthetic diesel oil, designed for use in heavy-duty applications, like big rigs, construction equipment, and even some high-performance passenger vehicles, which is pretty cool. What I love about this oil is its versatility. It's got a 5W40 viscosity rating, which means it's going to flow smoothly in cold temperatures, but still provide excellent protection in hot conditions. And let me tell you, it's got some serious protective properties. I mean, this stuff is like a force field for your engine, trust me. Honestly, I've seen some pretty impressive results with this oil. So if you're looking for a reliable, high-performance diesel oil, look no further than Shell Rotella T6. Check out the link in the description for active discounts on this stuff. Product number 5. Valvoline Advanced Full Synthetic SA0W20 Motor. You know, I've been going over some amazing products in this series, and I'm super excited to introduce our next item, the Valvoline Advanced Full Synthetic SA0W20 Motor Oil. So let's dive right in, shall I? Now, I know what you're thinking. Motor oil isn't exactly the most glamorous stuff, but trust me, this one's a game changer, or at least that's what I've found out after using it for a couple of months now. Honestly, it's been a real revelation. I mean, the name itself tells you everything you need to know. It's a full synthetic oil with a viscosity rating of 0W20, which means it's designed to perform exceptionally well in cold temperatures and is also super fuel efficient. Wow, that's like a 1-2 punch, right? I've noticed that my engine runs smoother, quieter, and just overall seems more healthy, I guess you could say. It's definitely given me a peace of mind, you know? And that's exactly what I love about Valvoline. They're a brand that backs up their products with quality and performance. So if you're in the market for a reliable motor oil, look no further. Check the link in the description for active discounts and give it a shot. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. All the links for the products mentioned are in the description below. See you next time.